following diagram, the curve X represent normal relationship of alveolar ventilation with PaCO2 when PaO2 is 100 mmHg. Okay, so X is when PaO2 is 100 mmHg. Okay, if pH changes from 7.4 to 7.3, change in alveolar ventilation will shift to which of the following curve? See, when pH is changing from 7.4 to 7.3, when pH is changing from 7.4 to 7.3, it is acidosis or alkalosis? It is acidosis. Metabolic acidosis. It will be compensated by respiratory alkalosis. I mean, there will be increase in the respiratory rate, and there will be carbon dioxide washout. It is very much clear about this physiology. Now let me see. This is alveolar ventilation in liter per minute. This is alveolar PCO2. Normally it was around 40 and this is around 20. Of course, PCO2 will decrease. So curve from red will become green. This is clear. Without a doubt, this is clear. There is no doubt in this. So when pH is decreasing, acidosis is there, metabolic acidosis will be compensated by hyperventilation, respiratory alkalosis. So when there's increase in the respiratory rate, CO2 washout will be happening there, and that is going to cause what? Decrease in the CO2 value. From 40 around it become 20. From red it become green. Now initially it was at X, so X is corresponded by C. X is corresponded by PO2 is 100 there. It is corresponded by C, A by D, B by E. So answer here will be from X it will become C. So answer will be curve C. See, these types of questions are actually very easy. Don't think they are very tough. How many curves are there? They are asking very basic concept. If you know only this much, that CO2 washout will happen, you can answer the question. Only one concept is sufficient to solve this question.